Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to freeze your screen on Google Meet. First of all, open Chrome Web Store and search here Visual Effects for Meet. And then open this extension and click on Add to Chrome, Add extension. After adding, refresh your Meet tab, and if I start an instant meeting right now, here you can see a panel has been added into my left side. Here are some visual effects in this panel. Search here, search freeze from this list and click on it. And then we can see my screen has been freezed. To unfreeze the screen, again click on freeze. That's it. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.